Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. Just a couple stash ads. Went to the hobby shop this morning and then ordered a tool off of Amazon. So just wanted to show that real quick because the ones that I've had for a while and they're getting pretty beat. So, so real quick, here's the tack, the aluminum tack and the shift light. And you can see I used the clear resin. Oop, there it goes. Made a little ball at the top with the clear resin, so it kind of looks a little more realistic, I guess. But anyway, pretty cool. I'm still working on decals. That's just a one to try for the size. Kits. The two new kits that just came out, I believe. The Fanta 77 Ford van, which is pretty cool. It's a 3-in-1. I'm not going to use the decals. I'm going to probably build it like a custom because it's going to have a few murals on it, on the back, the hood, the sides. So if you guys want to see me doing the murals on this, let me know in the comments below, and I can do a video on that. But pretty cool kit, pretty sweet van, and I don't think I built a van, God, since the Chevy van. I think it had a bolt with it or something. Yeah, it was a long time ago. If I find a picture of it, I'll post it up here to show you. The second one is the 29 Ford Model A pickup with the California street chopper. That is cool. That'd be cool to detail up for my diorama, which I'm gonna get back on that here soon too, because I haven't built a diorama in years. But I'll put a picture up of, well, I'll show in another video how that's going. It's kind of going slow. Yeah, that's pretty cool though. Sweet. Picked those two up today, and I had to pick another one of these up today. I gotta do another Cobra. Awesome kit and awesome car too, of course, but yeah, I gotta build another one. Let's see, take a quick break and be right back. Okay guys, so let's see, I bought some new nippers, and these were on Amazon. I believe they were like 17 or 18 bucks, but I took it out of the package. But this is one pair that I've had for, God, years that I use. I usually cut the bigger stuff with these. And then this pair came with the 3D printer when I bought it, which, I mean, they work good, but you can see they're getting kind of beat up, and they're not cutting off as that good. So bought this one for 17 or 18 bucks or whatever it was. Tool, not really sure how to pronounce that, but tried cutting up some sprues with it when I first got it, and yeah, it cuts really smooth. It's actually pretty nice. I mean, for 18 bucks, couldn't really pass it up. But they're pretty sharp, and it was cutting them like nothing really, cutting the parts off. So give these a try and see how they go. But that's pretty much it, guys. It was just a quick video. I'll try to find that van picture. If I do, I'll post it up with the van to show you. It was years and years ago. I might have thrown it away. I just had the picture. All right, guys. So thanks for watching, and be back soon. I have an update with the 69 Ford truck. There's an engine here from Iceman Collection, so be getting on that here soon too. So thanks for watching. See ya.